Welcome to the wood shop, friends. Well, today is Wednesday the 11th, August the 11th, and I just wanted to give you a short video vlog on what we had happened to us in our neighborhood. Well, actually my next door neighbor and my house was affected by this storm that we had last night. And my shop's okay. Thank God for that. But I want to show you what happened to this tree that was struck by lightning and narrowly missed our house, but did some damage. But the neighbors took the brunt of the damage. So if you come with me, we'll go check this out. Okay, walking out of the wood shop stop, or my garage, and you can see there's a line hanging down right there that's following the fence line, and if you look, you'll see all the tree brush. It's crossing my neighbor's driveway, and it landed on the front part of our fence and into our yard, knocking down or pulling off our meter for the consumer's power. You can see there's some damage there. Now I'm coming to the front yard, and you can see more of what I'm talking about. You can see in the distance there's that tree that's been ripped in half and exposed with the black soot or whatever it is, rot. But you can see the damage that the top of the tree has done to our front yard here. Just a massive tree. We've got branches all the way out in the street, and here's that line where it continues to this pole but was yanked down, and it actually pulled on the one across the street too. But we're going to continue. We're going to take a look at the neighbor's yard here. I'm out in the street now. You can see there's a huge branch there. Yeah, today was garbage pickup day, and got the Herbie Kirby's out, but you can see there's her driveway. That's supposed to be her driveway right there, and there's a huge branch there, part of the trunk, and that's in her front yard. And you can see there's the tree. Got struck by lightning last night. Just ripped that thing. She is very lucky that it didn't fall directly on her house. She's trapped in there now. She can't get out. She can get out of the house, but she can't get out of her yard or driveway without climbing a fence, and she's in her 70s, so that's not a possibility. But I just wanted to show you what happened here in our little town of Southwest Michigan, where the wood shop stop resides. Some may see this as unrelated to the wood shop stop, but it's part of the wood shop stop's story. So be sure to like, share, and subscribe, and hit the bell notification for future videos. Thanks. Bye now.